It's another beautiful day here at European Motors in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and we have a 2021 Mercedes GLC 300 4MATIC all-wheel drive with just over 40,000 miles on it. I believe it's just rolled 44,000 miles. White exterior with the nice, I love the two-tone, the tan and the black. You have the black carpets that stay halfway clean, but then these nice tan seats, so in the summertime they don't get super hot sitting in the sunlight. And then we have tons and tons of options in there. The Burmeister sound system, but we'll get more into that in a second. Because right now we have these gorgeous gloss black 19-inch rims with that looks like a brand new set of all-season tires as well. Probably is with 44,000 miles on it. Really good shape. This vehicle's in really good shape. We have, I see the LED, I believe they're LED high performance headlights. I don't know if there's a standard LED, but we have the high performance on this one. Another look, and those wheels in the sun just have a glisten to them. They just have a gorgeous look. I don't know if that's showing up with the sun. It is a beautiful day here, but that sun is a little bit bright. Looking down the side, this car's in great shape. I'm not seeing any dings or dents on the passenger side. We'll double check the driver's side here in a second. Power lift gate, and this is a one owner, so you know we still have the cargo cover, we have the cargo net and some other goodies back there. Power folding seats. There's one button there. Look how flat that folds down. It's really nice. Now one other thing I noticed is this loading section is just super clean. I don't think I see a scratch on it. A lot of people when they're loading stuff into their trunks will set stuff on that, and that just shows the one owner pride of ownership. Just really nice condition. I'm not seeing any dings or anything on the driver's side as well. I think I forgot to show it, but we have the dual moonroof. Oh, they're closed. We'll have to open them up when we get into the car. I'm sure we have a still picture as well. Then I'll show you the driver's seat is in great shape. No rips, no tears. Really good shape. Still have the factory Mercedes floor mats. Back seat's in great shape as well. Sorry for my shadow there. We got the Burmeister sound system. It is a really nice sound system. We'll turn it up in the car when we get in, but you'll have to come take a listen in person to get the true effect. It is really nice. Let's get to it. Let's hop in and take this thing for a spin. And I was right. We just rolled 44,000 miles. 44,041 miles.
Still got factory warranty, right?
Still has factory warranty for a little bit longer. Call us for details on that. And then let's get these, we'll show off these sunroofs. Look at that, I got the dual moonroof, front and the back. We'll leave those closed for the video though, just to cut down on some of the sun glare. And look at that, we got the backup and the 360 camera, and that is really crisp and clear. The other cool thing is you can see on the side here, we have all of these other views. So you have parallel parking, so you can see your tire, make sure you don't scratch those gorgeous gloss black wheels. You can pull up the front wide angle view, rear wide angle, just a ton of views. So you can, it really just makes parking easy.
Has somebody calling on it already? Huh?
Yeah, we got someone calling on already, maybe. Maybe they're calling on a different car. This one's not quite advertised yet, but we got heated seats, heated steering wheel, and then let's get off these cameras. Let's get to the Burmeister sound system here. We'll let this biker go past. Nice smooth jazz for your Mercedes. This also has phone Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so you can put your phones, apps, navigation right on the screen there. Makes it really nice, really easy to use. And these are just a nice car. They get really good fuel economy as well. Being an all-wheel drive SUV, these still get upper 20s. I don't think they're quite at 30 on the highway, but I know Caleb's will put it in the ad for you guys. Really good fuel economy. And then you're not in an econo box. You're in a nice, comfy, quiet Mercedes. I remember, Kyle, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure we have 2 keys for this one as well.
2 keys.
2 keys for this one, 1 owner. And I mean, that's just another thing you get with a 1 owner car. You get all those extras. Nice and smooth. I'll have to slow down for this light here, but we'll get up to highway speeds. So you have blind spot monitoring in the mirrors as well. This has some other driver aids as well. This has a good amount of get up to it as well. That's 45, 50, 55, 60 miles an hour. Nice and straight and true down the road. No shakes, no shimmies. We're gonna have to get on the brakes here for this Hyundai, but you can see it does everything it should and nothing it shouldn't. Give us a call, 319-393-8496, EuropeanMotorsIowa.com. My name is Tommy. Kyle is in the passenger seat, or Caleb would be glad to get you helped out on this vehicle. We do offer shipping in the lower 48 states. If you have more questions about that, give us a call. We can get it shipped right to your driveway. We do also offer service for a lot of the German and Italian automobiles here in Eastern Iowa. So if you already have a Mercedes or maybe a Porsche or a Range Rover, give us a call and get you helped out with that as well. 319-393-8496, 2021 Mercedes GLC 300 4MATIC. Thanks for watching.